A conditional sentence in English usually consists of two parts: the condition itself and the result that will occur if the condition is met. For example, if I get a job on Wall Street, I will move to Manhattan. If I get a job is a condition that we don't know if it will ever happen. And I will move to Manhattan is the result that will occur if the condition is met. Schematically, it looks like this. Here's the condition. If I get a job on Wall Street, there are two possible options here. Option A, I do get a job, then the result will be moving to Manhattan. Option B, well, probably I will not go anywhere. This result, I will move to Manhattan, will only happen if the condition is met. If I get a job, we can arrange them just the way we like. The condition can come first, and the result comes after it. Or another way around, nothing will change. If I get a job on Wall Street, I will move to Manhattan is equal to I will move to Manhattan if I get a job on Wall Street. Everything is clear. Move on to the next episode.